In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do local pickup on eBay, both from the perspective of a buyer and a seller. Whether you're looking to save on shipping costs or connect directly with buyers and sellers in your local area, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to get started with the local pickup option on eBay. First, let's open up your preferred web browser and search for eBay. Once the search results are displayed, you're going to want to click on the first result. This will take you to the eBay homepage where you can access all the features you're familiar with. In the upper left corner of the eBay homepage, you'll notice the sign in option. Go ahead and click there. Then, simply log in with your eBay account credentials, making sure to enter the correct username and password so that all your account features and settings are available to you. After logging in, direct your attention to the arrow beside the My eBay section on the top of the page. Clicking this arrow will expand a menu showcasing various options. From this expanded list, select Selling. It's the gateway to managing your online sales and any listings you might have. Once in your selling page, look for Drafts. This is where you can find and work on any listings you haven't yet published. Go ahead and click on Drafts to see all pending listings. Navigating your drafts, find the listing you want to work on and click on Resume Draft to open it. As you scroll through your draft, keep an eye out for the shipping section. This area is crucial because it determines key aspects of how your buyers will receive their purchases. So once within the shipping section, you'll need to click on the shipping method option. This is where you can select how you'll send the item. Look through the list of available shipping methods until you find local pickup only and select it. This choice can be highly beneficial if you and your buyer are in the same geographic area, as it eliminates shipping fees and offers the convenience of a face-to-face transaction. Now that you've learned how to set up a local pickup option, remember to communicate effectively with your buyer or seller to arrange a mutually convenient time and place for the exchange. Safety should always be a priority, so consider meeting in public locations that are easily accessible to both parties. This strategy is a fantastic way to cut costs and personalize the eBay shopping experience. And there you have it. You're now ready to explore the benefits of local pickup on eBay from both buying and selling perspectives. This method not only fosters community connections, but also enables smoother, quicker transactions free from postal delays. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides and insights into online selling.